Hi there, so here I've got the Evalis Green Laser Leveler Ruler. I've been meaning to get one of these for ages. I will say I'm getting over flu, so if I sound a bit off, that's why. And the first one I've done review-wise I've been in it for about a week now. So I've been meaning to get one of these for quite a while. Been hanging quite a few pictures. I've still got more to do actually. I moved into a new house, so I'm going to be hanging even more pictures. So I thought, well, I might as well get one of these when it came up. So, sorry, I'm coughing. We have a USB to micro USB charging cable. It's a shame it's the older style charging cable, but can't have everything. Now, obviously, being laser, be mindful I don't shine it in my face. Let's put that bit of packaging over there. So, okay, so we've got spirit levels on top here, as you can see, hopefully. Then there is a tape measure, and it's quite a thick one, which is really useful. It's not like with these ones that's just going to bend. Really nice thickness to it. That just sort of slots back into the housing here, and that locks with this button. Hopefully. Ah, no, it doesn't. So you pull it out. Oh, no, it's making it line up what it's going to do. So we'll pull it out and push the button and it comes back. Or is it? Yeah, okay, so push button, pings back type. It's quite nifty. You've got a flush bottom there. A slight indent, I'm not quite sure what that's there for. Could be the tape measure. And then of course on the front here, now this seems to have some sort of tie or whatever. Now, let me just see what okay, so there's actually no instructions with this. There's nothing in the box at all, instruction wise. Nothing came out, which is not ideal, is it really? No instructions. Okay, so I'm not sure what this bit of cable is for, whether something pulls out, or I don't know. I can't work this out. Does that come out of the hairline or single line? Well, is that to do with this? Oh, it seems a bit strange. So what you've got are a couple of grooves, and I think you're supposed to hook this over there. Maybe not. So we've got what looks to be a couple of grooves. Which, does that... okay, I'm not sure what that's doing. I've put talk, to be honest, because I can't... It looks like some grooves. This short cable is maybe there to do something, but I don't know, because it doesn't actually tell me, because there's no instructions. Let's just turn it on. Whoa, okay, so this is quite cool. So we've got a cross laser. I mean, this is really bright, actually. I've got two... one really large overhead light, and I've got a side light as well at the moment going, and this is very, very easy to see. But obviously the tricky part of this is that to get this level, you have to make sure that the bubble is level also, and it needs to be level both ways, so we're not tilting down or anything. So that is basically saying it's level. I could put it on my desk actually and see how far out we are. Well, my desk is pretty much spot on actually with the distance. I'm going to just wind this up a bit so you can see. I'll just see the back of my desk set up here. So I'll pull this up. I mean, this is a very big cross, and I can go right back. You can see the size just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Or if you're up close, you can get something smaller. So the tricky part of this to me is I've got some pictures to put up, which means I can measure the height and mark a line, which is fine. The bit is actually, how do I hold this in place so it is level in both directions when I'm actually want to like hang some pictures up. So it says laser line transformation. Okay, so this cover here. Gone off on a tangent. I'm going to turn this off. This cover is supposed to... Okay, this is getting quite fiddly. I'm going to put this down. I just realised I'm not actually on my desk anymore, am I? You can change this round according to what I'm looking at on the packet. From a single ever hairline or a single dot, is that what we're looking at? Oh, okay, look, so you can have a dot if you want. I'm not really sure the benefit of having the dot. It says laser line transformation, you change this around, but I'm not sure whether that you put this back in a different way around that does something. I don't think so. I think we're just getting overcomplicated. Let's just try and get this back in the right way round. I think that's... Okay, so that's now wonky. I wish I hadn't taken it out now. Let's turn it right back round where it was. So we've got a couple of guide here, so let's try that one in there. Is that going to go in? Right, hopefully this has gone back to where it was. Yeah, okay, so it's back to having my lines there. I say it's really good. You've got the tape measure, you've got the bubbles. The laser is extremely bright. In fact, I can shine it on my ceiling, and you know it's covering a big distance where I'm sitting. So the issue with this is how do I keep it straight and level? So if it's just me, how do I keep this straight and level while using it? That is the predicament, because there's nothing else. I say there is, as I mentioned numerous times, no instructions. And I did see somewhere there was a picture of this actually mounted on a tripod. Now I can understand that because I can get a really tall tripod. I can mount this on it, get the cross in the right place, and then put my pictures up and things like that, or get my ruler and just draw a straight line. Excuse me, but this food's a killer. How do I keep this positioned in place while I'm trying to do the other? I mean, basically, it's a two-person job unless I can mount this on something that can hold it. Okay, so I hope this helps. It's not my best review, so I'm covering from this flipping flu. Charging port is on the side here, and obviously, you know, danger, this is a laser, you don't want to be looking at this. This isn't used 2 by AAA batteries, but obviously we're on, so there's a sorry, there's a battery cover here. I just want to see what's inside this battery cover. Whether it is actually rechargeable batteries that we're using. Can't get it out now. Oh. Almost got it out. So it has. Oh, it's got this inside. I mean, I can't actually get this. I mean, this looks to be some sort of battery, but of course you can see you can put in some normal batteries in this, but this looks to be, does look to be some sort of battery, which I don't want to pull this out. I can't even get it out actually with my fingers. I mean, I'm making the assumption here that this is a rechargeable battery because I haven't put any batteries in. That's obviously not 2 by AAA batteries in there. There must be some charging pack, and of course you've got the charging cable. So if the backup is somehow you can take that out and then use normal batteries, but it's certainly not easy to get that little battery thing out. So let me put this back in before I lose the screw. So in a lot of ways, this is very good. I like the tape measure, it's really sturdy, the laser's really bright, you've got the 2 levels, bubble levels on there as well. I'm just not sure how I mount this in such a way that I can use it by myself. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Bye.